Hi everyone, my name is Ana Linote. I'm 25 years old and I currently now Purok Pantalan, Toril, Davao City. And my motto in life, trust the timing of your life. Today, I'm excited to share my expectation for the hairdressing trunk. My expectation for the hairdressing trunk are to gain hands-on experience in styling and cutting hair. I hope to develop my skills in creating different hairstyles and learning about the latest trend in industry. Ang skills na ito hindi mo lang magagamit for lokal, kundi magagamit mo ito sa nasyonal. Someday, pwede mo din itong gamitin for negosyo or pagkitaan mo o paghahanap buhay. Ang skills na ito, ako ay nagpapasalamat upang mapainlad ko pa ang aking kakayahan. Sa skills na ito ay mapatunayan ko sa sarili ko na may iba pala akong talento at matutunan sa skills na ito. Then, importance for senior high schools. Mahalaga talaga ang senior high schools ngayon, lalo na sa generation ngayon. Ang mga bataan ngayon ay yung iba maraming nag-aasawa ng maaga, tapos hindi mataguyod yung pamilya, nagkaanak ng maaga, based on my experience. Pero hindi pa huli yung lahat para mag-aral muli. Ang senior high school is a crucial part of our education system. It provides us with the opportunity to specialize us in a particular field and gain practical skills that can be applied the working force. For the youth of today, senior high school can be stepping stone to successful career of further education. Ang senior high school para sa akin, sobrang halaga talaga para sa akin. Kasi yung iba kung hindi na go to college, wala ng budget, pwedeng makatapos ka lang ng senior high school. Sobrang mahalaga na kasi maraming nang tatanggap sa'yo sa mga kumpanya na trabaho. At kung basta magsipag ka lang at syaga, panalo ka na doon. Maraming salamat.